On a warm Florida morning in 1977, as the first rays of sunlight crept over the horizon, a sense of anticipation filled the air at Cape Canaveral. The world was on the cusp of something extraordinary, a mission that would stretch the limits of human ingenuity and imagination. Standing tall on the launch pad was the Titan IIIe rocket, its massive frame gleaming in the early light. Atop it rested Voyager 1, a small spacecraft, yet one that carried the weight of humanity's curiosity, hopes, and dreams for discovery. Engineers and scientists watched with bated breath, knowing that years of work and planning had led to this singular moment. Voyager's mission was nothing short of audacious, a grand tour of the outer solar system, made possible by a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. This cosmic arrangement would allow the spacecraft to slingshot from one giant world to the next, using their gravity to propel itself further and faster than ever before. It was a window of opportunity that, if missed, would not return for generations. Voyager 1 was meticulously crafted, packed with an array of cameras, spectrometers, and other scientific instruments. Each component was designed to withstand the harshness of space and to gather data from worlds never before seen up close. These tools, our remote eyes and hands, would allow us to peer into the unknown, capturing images and measurements that would forever change our understanding of the solar system. Every bolt, wire, and lens was a testament to human craftsmanship and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The launch itself was a moment of hope, tension, and awe. As the engines ignited and the rocket roared to life, a thunderous plume of fire and smoke marked the beginning of Voyager's journey. The spacecraft soared skyward, leaving behind the only home it had ever known, carrying with it the ambitions of an entire planet. For the engineers, scientists, and onlookers, it was a bittersweet moment, a one-way trip for a fragile machine that would never return. As Voyager disappeared into the sky, it became a symbol of humanity's willingness to venture into the unknown, to risk everything for the sake of discovery. This launch marked a turning point in our story. No longer were we content to simply gaze at the stars from afar. Now we were reaching out, determined to become part of the cosmic tapestry. The night sky, once a distant mystery, was now a destination. Voyager's mission was more than a scientific endeavor. It was a declaration of optimism, a bold promise to explore despite the challenges and uncertainties of our world. It asked the biggest questions. What lies beyond our solar system? Are we alone in the universe? Could we one day find answers among the stars? Voyager 1 became our silent messenger, venturing into the vast unknown, charting a course through the darkness on behalf of all humanity. It carried with it not just instruments, but a golden record, a message to any who might find it, telling the story of life on Earth. Its journey had only just begun, a silent promise whispered to the cosmos, a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration. Each mile it traveled was a step further into the great mystery, a new chapter in the human adventure. The adventure was underway, and for the first time, humanity was not just an observer, but a participant in the unfolding story of the stars, a story that Voyager would help us tell for generations to come. Nearly 2 years later, Voyager 1 arrived at Jupiter, transforming our understanding of the gas giant. The Great Red Spot was revealed as a raging, centuries-old storm, and Jupiter's atmosphere a turbulent canvas of storms and jet streams. Voyager's cameras turned to the moons. Io stunned scientists with its erupting volcanoes, the first seen beyond Earth. Europa's cracked, icy surface hinted at a hidden ocean, raising the possibility of life beyond our planet. Voyager also discovered Jupiter's faint ring system and measured its immense magnetic field. In months, Jupiter changed from a distant point of light to a vibrant system of worlds. Using Jupiter's gravity, Voyager 1 accelerated toward Saturn, leaving behind a legacy of wonder. The universe suddenly seemed much more interesting. In 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn, offering our first close look at its iconic rings. The rings were revealed as thousands of intricate ringlets, shaped by gravity and tiny shepherd moons. Voyager's instruments confirmed the rings were mostly water ice, orbiting in a disk thinner than a sheet of paper. The spacecraft also surveyed Saturn's moons, focusing on Titan, shrouded in a dense, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. Titan's chemistry echoed early Earth, with methane clouds and the possibility of liquid methane lakes. To study Titan, Voyager 1 was sent out of the planetary plane, ending its grand tour but opening the door to interstellar space. Its cameras turned to the darkness, beginning the long journey beyond the solar system. The grand tour was over, but a new adventure had begun. Attached to Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc, a time capsule for the cosmos. It's not just a scientific instrument, but a carefully crafted message, a greeting card from Earth to the unknown. As Voyager left our solar system, it carried with it this shimmering artifact, designed to last for 1 billion years, drifting silently through the vastness of interstellar space. Curated by Carl Sagan's team, the Golden Record holds 115 images, sounds of Earth, greetings in 55 languages, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry. The team spent months debating what best represented humanity, what sights, sounds, and words might speak for us if ever discovered by another civilization. Every detail, from the selection of music to the spoken greetings, was chosen with care and hope. The record captures the diversity and creativity of humanity, from the intricate structure of DNA to sprawling cityscapes, from the haunting songs of whales to the energy of rock and roll. It's a portrait of life on Earth, a mosaic of our cultures, our science, and our art, all compressed into a single golden disc. It's a message of hope, a greeting to any distant intelligence that might one day find Voyager drifting among the stars. The Golden Record is both an introduction and an invitation, a way of saying, "We are here, and we wish to know you." The odds of discovery are tiny. Voyager may travel for eons without ever being found, but the act of sending it matters. It's a leap of faith, a testament to our desire to connect, to reach beyond our own world, and share our story with the universe. The Golden Record is a symbol of who we are, a gesture of peace, curiosity, and optimism. Its engraved symbols and encoded messages are a universal handshake, an offering of friendship to the cosmos, and a reminder of our shared humanity. It forces us to reflect on our place in the universe and how we wish to be remembered. What legacy do we leave behind, and what stories do we hope will outlast us? The Golden Record asks us to consider not just who we are, but who we aspire to be. Voyager carries our story, a whisper of hope cast into the cosmic ocean. It is a silent ambassador traveling farther than any human has ever gone, bearing the dreams and memories of an entire planet. It is a testament that a small, curious species once reached for the stars. Against all odds, we dared to send a message, not knowing if it would ever be heard, but believing that it was worth sending. Our message now travels on, long after we are gone, a golden echo, carrying the story of Earth into the endless night, waiting for someone, somewhere, to listen. After Saturn, Voyager 1 sailed through the Heliopause sheath, the edge of the Sun's influence. In August 2012, its instruments detected a dramatic shift. Solar particles dropped, cosmic rays surged. Voyager had crossed the Heliopause, entering interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so. Now a true starship, it sampled the plasma and cosmic environment between the stars, sending back unprecedented data. Today, Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers from Earth. Its signals take more than 22 hours to reach us. Its power is fading, instruments shutting down one by one, but each bit of data is precious. Engineers race against time to keep the probe alive, squeezing out every last discovery. Voyager's journey into the unknown continues, a lonely sentinel in the galactic wilderness. Decades passed, and in late 2023, Voyager 1 fell silent, sending only gibberish home. NASA's team faced a daunting challenge, fixing a 40-year-old spacecraft nearly a light day away. The culprit, a faulty memory chip in the flight data subsystem. Unable to repair it, engineers devised a clever workaround, reprogramming the software to use undamaged memory. Each command took nearly 2 days for a round trip, and a single error could end the mission. In April 2024, a signal returned. Voyager was talking again. Over weeks, more fixes restored science data from interstellar space. The recovery was a triumph of ingenuity and perseverance, a testament to the team's dedication. Voyager's voice, though faint, had returned from the brink. For now, the old explorer continues its journey, a fragile link to the stars. Imagine a day in the 2030s. Decades after Voyager 1 first left Earth, humanity's most distant messenger drifts at the edge of interstellar space. its instruments growing silent. Voyager 1's power nearly gone, its systems dimming one by one. The spacecraft is now a faint echo of human curiosity and ambition. In a quiet control room, engineers prepare a final transmission. A message not of data or discovery, but of gratitude and farewell. Not data, but a farewell. One last attempt to reach across the void, to send a message that transcends science. The message is the pale blue dot image, a photograph that captured the essence of our existence. Taken in 1990 at Carl Sagan's request, it shows Earth as a tiny, fragile speck suspended in a sunbeam, lost in the vastness. Earth appears as a tiny speck in a sunbeam, a reminder of how small and precious our world truly is. Just a single pixel in the vastness of space, barely noticeable, yet holding everything we know and love. The image is a message, a silent plea to recognize our shared home and our shared fate. This is your home. Cherish it. Every hope, every dream, every life, contained in that pale dot. Voyager's last act would be to remind us of our smallness and our unity, to inspire awe and responsibility. Its journey began by looking outward, searching for answers among the stars. But its final message turns our gaze back to ourselves, urging us to reflect on what truly matters. The pale blue dot is a lesson in humility and perspective, a cosmic mirror showing us our place in the universe. It is a call to care for our fragile world, to protect the only home we have ever known. Voyager's last whisper is not sadness, but a legacy of wonder, hope, and connection. Its journey is a testament to human curiosity and the desire to reach beyond ourselves. Remember the pale blue dot. Let it remind us to be kind, to be wise, and to cherish our world. Take care of it. For in all the vastness, there is nothing else quite like it. With that, the signal fades, and Voyager sails on, carrying our message into the unknown. A ghost ship in the cosmic sea, Voyager drifts onward, forever a symbol of our longing to understand, and our hope that we will remember what truly matters. Voyager's imagined final message would spark global reflection. The pale blue dot forces us to confront our smallness and the unity of all life on Earth. It's a call to protect our only home, to see beyond our divisions and work together. The image inspires environmental stewardship and a sense of shared destiny. Voyager's journey is a story of curiosity, ingenuity, and hope, a reminder to keep exploring. Its legacy encourages new generations to reach for the stars and cherish our planet. The pale blue dot connects the vastness of the cosmos with the intimacy of human existence. We are small, but we are significant, the universe's way of knowing itself. Even after its signal fades, Voyager 1 will drift through the galaxy for eons. In 40,000 years, it may pass near another star. Its story carried silently through the void. Voyager's discoveries rewrote our understanding of the outer planets and inspired awe across generations. The golden record and the pale blue dot are lasting symbols of hope, unity, and perspective. Voyager is more than a machine. It's a story about who we are and who we aspire to be. Its journey is a testament to science, vision, and collaboration. Long after we are gone, Voyager will continue its endless pilgrimage, a piece of humanity forever reaching into the light.